So next is we need to proceed with physical properties of metal and non-metal. So first of all, physical properties of metals. So metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. So how we can come to know that? We can see here an experimental setup ki how this is done. We can say that ki metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. So here in this experimental setup, you can see that metals are good conductor of heat. So you can see here an metal wire is hanging with the stand along with the clamp, and we are going to heat that particular metal wire with the Bunsen burner. We are giving any amount of heat to that particular rod, and when we are giving heat to that rod, we can feel that we are heating the central part of that. You can see in the image that wire. But along with that center part, we can also feel after some time each of the corner of that particular rod is free end of the wire are what? Also heaten up. They are not only we are heating the central part, but the other end of the wire are also heaten up. So what shows this? ये क्या है? इसके ऊपर अगर हमने एक pin insert करें तो after some time this pin will be also heaten up. So this shows what? This shows that metals are good conductor of it. We are heating one point and another is passing the heat to one another point, and on both the ends we are feeling this heating effect. Fine. Another effect is you can see that heating of effect of the metals with the electricity. So they are good conductor of electricity. So in the case of good conductor of heat, we can say, but हमने एक wire लिया. This is the experimental setup, and we are heating this particular wire from one end. Fine. This is our burner. This is the stand, and here is the clamp. We have fitted it here, and when we are heating it from this point, after some time these are the free ends of this wire, and these ends are also heaten up. Fine. So if we are inserting any pin over here, that pin will be heaten or even that will be fell down, because वो क्या करे, वो भी heaten up हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो क्या है, यहाँ से पार्टिकल, इस पार्टिकल ने हीट लिया, इसने पास करा अपने अगले पार्टिकल को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसमें भी क्या है, मेटल है ना, एटम्स है इसमें, तो वन एटम ने हीट लिया, पास करा, इसने इसको पास करा, इसने इसको पास करा, तो क्या हुआ, हमारे पास क्या हो गया, इस एंड तक हीट का ट्रांसफर हो गया. तो वी आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग हीटिंग एट दिस पार्ट. दिस इज व्हाट? कंडक्शन. कंडक्शन क्या होता है, एक पार्ट दूसरे को क्या कर रहा है, पास. कंडक्शन क्या करते हैं, पासिंग द पार्सल. वी आर यूज्ड टू प्ले ना, पासिंग हो रहा है किसका, हीट का. जैसे कि पासिंग द पार्सल में हम एक चीज किसी को पास कर रहे हैं, वैसे यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, एक एटम दूसरे एटम को हीट पास कर रहा है, तो कंडक्ट कर रहा है. तो दिस इज द कंडक्शन. तो मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. सेम इज द एग्जांपल हियर, मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो इन केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वी नीड टू गो विद द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. So you can see here experimental setup. Battery is there. Along with battery we are giving the supply to the particular clip. Insert a sample to be tested. हम क्या चेक करेंगे कि कोई भी मेटल हम लेंगे. If we insert that metal in this particular clip and we are switching on the particular switch, and after switch on होएगा then bulb will glow, and if bulb is glowing, then glowing of bulb is showing what? Glowing of bulb is showing that metal is going to be conduct electricity, conduct particular sample which we are testing. For example metals, ठीक है, किसी भी मेटल को, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, कॉपर को अगर हमने डाला, that it can show that the glowing of bulb is there, and that glowing of bulb is indicating that metals are good conductor of electricity. So these two activities are very important to keep in mind, because they are going to prove that metals are good conductor of heat when we are heating, and electricity में क्या कर रहे हैं, we are passing electric current from battery. ठीक है, passing electric current from battery, then bulb will glowing, and glowing of bulb is indicating but that particular sample is conducting electricity, and which is a metal.